Hi everyone, I wanted to record a quick video showing you how to change some of the colors of the items in your VS Code layout. So for example here I'm using this Abyss color theme which comes with VS Code, and you can see here that the notes have been changed to orange. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So we're going to, first I'll hit Control-Shift-P and then go into the JSON settings. Okay, and then if I scroll down here, you can see where I made the edits here. It's this section right here. So there's a couple different keys for the different stuff that you're trying to style. But basically, why don't I zoom in here? No, I'm not going to zoom in. So we can see here that the comments. This is editor.token color customization. And then it's an object that has the key comments in it, and then you just define the color there as a hex number, or I don't know if you can use just the, yeah, you can't use words like with CSS, but you define it as a hexadecimal, and that is for comments. And then we have other stuff like activity bar, background. So this one, in this Abyss theme, it was both like, the comments were a little too hard to read, and also it's this activity bar. When you were not hovering over it, it would be hard to see sometimes, especially if your screen is not super bright. Or wait, maybe this is this might be the wrong one. Okay, must be this one down here, yeah. Oopsie, let me skip this. That one down there. So it's workbench.color customizations, and then we have scroll bar slider.background. And we can see when we set the color there, it turns the, not the hover color, but just the stationary color, and when you're going up and down to a different color. And like that way, I mean, you can see before, if you look at it, it's kind of hard to see. If you got some blue light glasses on or your screen's low brightness, then it's hard to actually even see where you're scrolling at. So that helped me to actually be able to see where I am on the page, and then as well as read the comments, because as you can see for the Abyss theme here, the comments are also very low contrast with their background. So, but that's it. It's pretty simple. Settings.json for VS Code, and you can see here, if we look at it's just an object. If you haven't been here before, it's an object, a JSON file, and then it just takes these different key value pairs, and in this case the value is, each of them is an object itself, and that allows you to, and I'll just delete these because these are just comments, just to maybe show the clean version. So and then you can search for other things. You can basically go and color anything you want. So if there's anything else that you want to color, just go and try and find the right keywords for it, and then that's how you're going to do that. So hopefully this helped you, and good luck with your coding projects. I'll talk to you next time. Goodbye.